A share value equivalent to $4.7921 a coin. The present reach: $4.7214, $4.8900. The earlier day close: $4.8818. The change was 0.0897, 1.84%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at $4.58. Most extreme cost $5.44, least cost $4.06. The normal for the month $4.79. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $5.08, change for October 10.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $5.08. Greatest cost $6.17, least cost $4.73. The normal for the month $5.32. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.29, change for November 4.1%. A share cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at $5.29. Most extreme cost $5.55, least cost $4.83. The normal for the month $5.22. A share cost figure toward the month's end $5.19, change for December 1.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $5.19. Most extreme cost $5.19, least cost $4.05. The normal for the month $4.70. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.36, change for January 16.0%. A share cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $4.36. Greatest cost $4.71, least cost $4.09. The normal for the month $4.39. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.40, change for February 0.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. To start with cost at $4.40. Greatest cost $4.40, least cost $3.55. The normal for the month $4.04. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.82, change for spring 13.2%. A share cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at $3.82. Most extreme cost $3.82, least cost $3.08. The normal for the month $3.51. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.31, change for April 13.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with cost at $3.31. Greatest cost $3.34, least cost $2.90. The normal for the month $3.17. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.12, change for May 5.7%. A share cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.12. Greatest cost $3.12, least cost $2.55. The normal for the month $2.88. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.74, change for June 12.2%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Before all else cost at $2.74. Most extreme cost $2.74, least cost $2.22. The normal for the month $2.52. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.39, change for July 12.8%. A share cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $2.39. Most extreme cost $2.96, least cost $2.39. The normal for the month $2.63. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.77, change for August 15.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with cost at $2.77. Greatest cost $2.77, least cost $2.22. The normal for the month $2.54. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.39, change for September 13.7%. Axie cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $2.39. Most extreme cost $2.39, least cost $1.87. The normal for the month $2.17. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $2.01, change for October 15.9%. Axie cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $3.07. Greatest cost $3.81, least cost $3.07. The normal for the month $3.38. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $3.56, change for December 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. In the first place cost at $3.56. Greatest cost $3.56, least cost $2.78. The normal for the month $3.22. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $2.99, change for January 16.0%. Axie cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $2.99. Most extreme cost $2.99, least cost $2.54. The normal for the month $2.81. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.73, change for February 8.7%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. At the outset cost at $2.73. Most extreme cost $3.39, least cost $2.73. The normal for the month $3.01. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $3.17, change for spring 16.1%. Axie cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at $3.17. Most extreme cost $3.21, least cost $2.79. The normal for the month $3.04. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $3, change for April 5.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. First and foremost cost at $3.00. Greatest cost $3, least cost $2.34. The normal for the month $2.72. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $2.52, change for May 16.0%. Axie cost expectation for June 2026. To start with cost at $2.52. Greatest cost $2.97, least cost $2.52. The normal for the month $2.70. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $2.78, change for June 10.3%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for July